1. Which animal has blue blood? A. Octopus. B. Peacock. C. Pigeon. D. Tiger. The answer is A. Octopus. 2. In which country was the world's first note made? A. India. B. China. C. Japan. D. America. The answer is B. China. 3. People of which country drink dog's milk? A. China country. B. Mono country. C. Iran country. D. Pakistan. The answer is B. Mono country. 4. How many players are there in Kabaddi game? A. 6 players. B. 8 players. C. 10 players. D. 7 players. The answer is D. 7 players. 5. In which country are most lakes found? A. India. B. Canada. C. China. D. Japan. The answer is B. Canada. 6. Which fish has its stomach in its head? A. Whale. B. Shrimp. C. Queen. D. Dolphin. The answer is B. Shrimp. 7. Which is the bird that lays the most eggs? A. Parrot bird. B. Pigeon bird. C. Filu bird. D. Cuckoo bird. The answer is C. Filu bird. 8. In which country is there punishment for having more than 2 children? A. In Bhutan. B. In China. C. In North Korea. D. In India. The answer is C. In North Korea. 9. When did the English first come to India? A. The 20th of August 1498. B. The 20th of May 1498. C. The 20th of April 1498. D. The 20th of March 1498. The answer is B. The 20th of May 1498. 10. In which country most people roam around unemployed? A. In America. B. In India. C. In Nepal. D. In China. The answer is B. In India. 11. How many colors are there in the rainbow? A. 5 colors. B. 6 colors. C. 7 colors. D. 8 colors. The answer is C. 7 colors. 12. Which is the most polluted city of India? A. Delhi. B. Maharashtra. C. Kanpur. D. Lucknow. The answer is A. Delhi. 13. What was the old name of State Bank of India? A. Bank of State. B. Bank of Hindustan. C. Bank of India. D. None of these. The answer is C. Bank of India. 14. Which animal's milk never curdles? A. Buffalo. B. Goats. C. Camel. D. Cows. The answer is C. Camel. 15. Which is the oldest game in the world? A. Football. B. Polo. C. Ludo. D. Cricket. The answer is B. Polo.